What's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you guys the number one reason why e-commerce businesses fail or they're not making the money that they want to make in their business, okay? The number one reason why people are not making the money they want to make is because they are not marketing enough, period. There's a lot of reasons why, but this reason right here is the number one reason that we see why people are failing, okay? And now let's dive a little deeper into that, right? Like, why are people not marketing enough? Well, the number one reason why we see people are not marketing enough is because they are overwhelmed when it comes to marketing. They're overwhelmed. They don't know what to do, what apps to get, how to run ads, how to do all this stuff. Like, they don't know. It's like overwhelming. Oh my God. Right? So what happens is that overwhelming feeling makes them not want to market at all. And when they don't market, they don't get results. And then it's like this cycle like that. It just keeps going, right? So we got to get down and we got to look at this word overwhelm. Okay, let's actually dive into the word overwhelm. The definition of the word overwhelm is bury or drown beneath a huge mass. To drown or bury beneath a huge mass. Okay, that sounds terrible, right? Let's actually visualize this for a second, right? So we got you're down here, right? Down here hanging out. And then you got successes up here. You're trying to be successful. It's way up here and you're down here. And in between your success is you have this massive, huge mass that you're underneath. That's literally stopping you. And that's what's creating this overwhelming feeling. And what is this overwhelming thing? What is this thing actually? I'll tell you right now. This right here is lack of knowledge. 100%. The reason why you are overwhelmed by marketing is because of your lack of knowledge when it comes to marketing, right? Think about it. You're doing all this marketing, you're running ads. Let's just say you're successful with your ads, but you don't know why you were successful, so you can't replicate it. And if you weren't successful with your ads, then you don't know why it didn't work. So you can't fix what was wrong because you don't know why it didn't work, right? So either way, it's all bad. But you have this lack of knowledge, and that lack of knowledge creates confusion, right? And that confusion leads to you feeling overwhelmed. And when you feel overwhelmed, you don't want to do it. But if you can just fix the root cause, a lot of people like to put Band-Aids on stuff and say, oh, let me hire an agency and they could just do it for me. Or I'll get some into artificial intelligence, some bot to do it for me or whatever. Those are all Band-Aids. What we really need to do is look at the root problem, right? Let's attack the root cause of all this, and then everything else will fix itself automatically, right? So the question becomes, well, how do I get rid of this overwhelming feeling? The way that you get rid of your overwhelming feeling is by learning how to do the thing that you're overwhelmed by, right? Because this is what happens. If you actually sit down and you learn how to market yourself, you learn how to run your ads properly. You know how to read your data properly. You know how to do email marketing campaigns, text marketing campaigns. You know how all this stuff works. All of a sudden, that overwhelming feeling that was literally holding you back from success all that time, this is what happens. That overwhelming feeling literally goes away. Okay? Because now that overwhelming feeling is now replaced with confidence. Okay? So now if you have confidence when it comes to marketing, you're going to want to market all the time because you're confident. It feels good to do it now, right? So guys, I hope this has helped a little bit, because the thing is, I see a lot of e-commerce businesses failing, struggling, not making enough money. And 9 times out of 10, the reason why that is because they are not marketing themselves enough. Their lack of knowledge is creating this feeling that they don't want to market themselves. They don't even want to touch it with a 10-foot pole, right? Because it just makes them feel like, I don't know what I'm doing, right? But if you break through that and you learn the marketing, that overwhelming feeling will get replaced with confidence. It will get replaced with clarity, right? And when you have clarity, then you can move with a plan. You can move strategically. You can move consistently. And when you do that, you will get more results. So if you're feeling overwhelmed when it comes to marketing, attack that overwhelming feeling and get some knowledge, get some clarity, learn how to do your marketing. All right. And when you do, everything's going to change for you. The game is going to change for you. Okay. There's plenty of different resources that you can get to learn marketing. You can click some links in our descriptions. We have like amazing trainings, mentorships, challenges. We got all different types of stuff that you can like click a button and like learn how to do this stuff, right? It's not hard, but you got to first be aware of the thing that's holding you back. And then now once you're aware of it, you can actually move towards fixing it. All right. So I hope this helps, guys, and we will see you guys in the next video.